Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Realm Mobile for React Native Data Sync easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your terminal to begin the process. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you don't have it yet, download and install it from the official Node.js website. Next, navigate to your React Native project directory in the terminal. Run the command to install the Realm Mobile SDK. Use npm install Realm to get the necessary package. Once the installation is complete, you can proceed to import Realm in your project. Open your project in your preferred code editor. Go to the file where you want to implement Realm functionality. Add the import statement at the top, import Realm from Realm. Now, create a schema for your Realm database. Define a JavaScript object that describes the structure of your data. Include properties and their types as needed for your application. After defining the schema, you can create a new Realm instance. Use let Realm equals new Realm schema, your schema, replacing your schema with your defined schema. Now, you can perform data operations such as adding or querying objects. To add an object, use the realm.write method. Inside the write block, use realm.create, your schema, your data object. For querying data, use realm.objects, your schema, to get all objects of that type. Next, ensure to set up real-time data synchronization. Navigate to your Realm Mobile Services account and log in. Create a new Realm app to manage your data. Once the app is created, make sure to enable sync settings. In your code, set up the configuration object for the Realm. Add your app ID like this, app ID, your app ID. Incorporate authentication if required by your app. You might use const user equals await app.login, credentials.anonymous, for quick testing. After this, connect your Realm instance to the Realm app for sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.